Greetings folks, this is the business end of the gin pole. This is where the winch joins on. Now I've decided that I have to try and get on with the great heightening project. What I've decided to do, I've got this M16 washer. Now that could either go here or here, but as far as I'm concerned it's going to be easier here, then we don't have to mess around with the other three cables. So that's the plan, is to get that welded on there. Obviously it has to be welded on properly. It's going to take a serious amount of stress. It may end up looking a bit messy, but it's not going to come off anytime soon. I'll be using this 250 amp, allegedly. It's more like 160 or 180 lightweight stick welder that I got off Amazon for 150 quid. It was about a year ago now I've had it. It serves me very well, and because I'm incredibly weak, I like the fact that it only weighs about 6 kilos. So I've got everything ready. First thing I need to do is take the turbine down so that the area I need to work on is at a good height. The reason I have to do all that is an unusual one. It's because these should all join in right on the deck, but I did it like this, meaning that I have to undo these cables, especially the top one, so when the turbine goes down, the cable doesn't get too tight. So that is something I need to sort out in the future, but I'm not going to do it now. I'm probably going to weld one of those washers on there, like so, and that'll just give us something to be going along with. Eventually this needs grinding off, and like a big ring needs to be put in at ground height, but for now I'm just going to go with this. Cheers. I've got some scrap M8 threaded bar that I'm just going to weld on like that. That is possibly the ugliest welding in the whole of history. Well, that's all for now, folks, because it's getting a bit too dark to do anything and I can't find the Allen key to take the blades off, which is what I need to do. So the blade's got to come off, the tail's got to come off, which is pretty easy. Then the wires need to be disconnected, then this thing needs to be undone and the wire cable needs to be pulled all the way through so that it comes out the top of the other bit.